we have to calculate what is the total quantity of the opening. Okay, total quantity of the opening. If you deduct the total quantity of the opening in the total quantity of the wall, whatever we have calculated now, you will get the net quantity of the wall construction. Is that clear for you all? Any doubts? Any clarification is needed in this? Any clarification is needed? Any one of you can reply? Okay, now we have to make some deductions. What are those deductions? Door openings, window openings, door openings, window openings, shelves. Okay, there are a few more deductions we need to do that I will tell you. Okay, now in the total quantity we have to deduct the door opening. There are how many doors in the diagram? How many doors, students? Two number of doors. Numbers is two number of doors. Okay. The length, width and height of the door opening, it is given in the data. Here you can see door dimensions are given. What is the door dimension given? 1.2 meter by 2.1 meter means 1.2 meter is the length and 2.1 meter is the height. Length of run of the door is 1.2 meter and height is 2.1 meter. Okay, 2.1 meter. So the length of the door is how much then? Tell me. See, this length is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter means this width of the opening is 1.2 meter. So length becomes how much? 1.2 meter only. I'll let the same value here, 1.2 meter. What about breadth? Breadth means thickness. Okay, thickness, it is equal to the thickness of the wall only. Okay, 0.3 meter only. Okay, that opening is to the thickness of 0.3 meter only. Breadth is 0.3 meter. What is the height? What is the height? Tell me the answer, students.
2.1.
What is the height? 2.1 meter. Okay, 2.1 meter. Okay, there are two number of doors. Okay, with each door having length of 1.2 meter and width of 0.3 meter and height of 2.1 meter. Okay, total quantity of the door openings, tell me.
1.51.
1.51. Now calculation of the door opening is over. There are windows. What is the number of windows? How many number of windows?
4.
Answer, 4 number of windows. Window openings is right. Window openings. Window openings. Numbers is 4. 4 number of windows are there in the building. Now tell me the length, breadth and the height. You just see the dimensions here. Tell me the length, breadth and the height. What is the length, students? Length of the window
1
opening?
meter.
Huh?
1 meter.
1 meter, correct. This length of the window opening is 1 meter. It is 1 meter. Height of the window opening is 1.5 meter and thickness will be equal to the thickness of the wall. 1 meter is the length, then 1.5 1.5 meter is the with the thickness is 0.3 meter, height is 1.5 meter. Total quantity
1.8.
1.80. Then there are two more openings, that is openings with respect to the shelves. Okay, the dimension of the shelves is given. Shelves having 1 meter by 1.5 meter. Okay. And thickness of the shelves, it is not given in the problem. Okay. We will assume some thickness. The total thickness of the wall is 0.3 meter is the total thickness of the wall.
0.3.
Okay. 0.3. In that, by leaving 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter as the offset, we will assume thickness of the wall as 0.2 meter. Okay. We will assume thickness of the shell as 0.2 meter. Therefore, the length of the shell is given in the problem. It is given length of the shell is 1 meter. It is having 1 meter run, 1 meter. Thickness is 0.2 meter and height of the shell opening is 1.5 meter. Okay, the same dimensions I will write here. What are the number of shells provided? 1, 2. Two number of shells are provided. Therefore, shells, here write shells, numbers is 2. Okay, length of the shell is 1 meter and thickness is 0.2, not 0.3. Okay, some part of the thickness is left there. Okay, thickness 0.2 we have assumed 0.2 and depth is 1.5 meter. Tell me answer.
0.6.
0.60. You put a star mark here. Usually you will commit mistakes at this step. Okay, thickness unknowingly you will take it as 0.3 only. 0.2 we need to take. Along with this door opening, window opening and shelves, you need to do a few more deductions that I will tell you. See, when there is door opening in a wall, okay, see, when there is door opening in a wall or window opening, over the door, you might have observed there is a lintel beam provided. There is a lintel beam provided over the door. Okay, why this lintel beam is provided? What is the reason for providing this lintel beam over the openings? Lintel beam, it is a reinforced concrete beam. Yes, yes.
Yes. Should not follow directly on the door, sir. So it
that is the reason. Okay, because it's a opening. Okay, to withstand the load of the superstructure here.